Top 10 most volatile hotspots for tornadoes. 1. Tornado Alley, U.S., Central U.S., Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, sees the most tornadoes. 2. Dixie Alley, U.S., Southeastern U.S., Alabama, Mississippi, experiences strong tornadoes. 3. The Great Plains, U.S., North Dakota to Texas has powerful tornadoes. 4. Midwest, U.S., Iowa and Illinois face frequent spring tornadoes. 5. Canadian prairies, Saskatchewan and Alberta see tornadoes like Tornado Alley. 6. Yucatan Peninsula, Mexico, tropical storms can spawn tornadoes. 7. High Plains, U.S., Colorado and Wyoming get spring tornadoes. 8. North Texas, U.S., Dallas sees late spring tornadoes. 9. Ozarks, U.S., Arkansas and Missouri have frequent tornadoes. 10. Queensland, Australia, tropical cyclones cause intense tornadoes. These regions are prone to tornadoes due to unique weather patterns.